Why does your scanner show the P0672 engine code? What does it mean? P0672 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder number 2, glow plug circuit. The P0672 engine code for indicate the engine control module, ECM, has detected a voltage irregularity, open circuit, or malfunction in the preheat circuit for the glow plug in cylinder number 2. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed cylinder 2 glow plug, corroded or damaged wiring, loose or faulty connectors, faulty glow plug relay or module, blown glow plug fuse. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Volkswagen, Chevrolet, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.